on security situation and assessment of Kisii County. I've been able to meet the police county commander, and I did a courtesy call to His Excellency the Governor. The main issues that I am in here today is to make sure that the Christmas festivities, the holidays between now and January, we want our people to enjoy. We have deployed enough security to manage this situation. That's why you've seen all the way from Nairobi to Kisii to Nyanza, the traffic management is good. We don't have any snarl because of the interventions that we have deployed. Secondly, is we've had a discussion with the governor seeking his support, especially on management of drugs, illicit brews, and alcohol. We want to eradicate these issues once and for all. It's only through this kind of partnership that we will be able to deal with these situations. And I really want to urge our youth and all those people who are battling with these drugs that we have a society to protect. We have a future to protect. And we cannot protect this with the continuous use of drugs and illicit brews. We are committed as National Police Service to put in all interventions to make sure that these vices are capped seriously. We've also the issues of criminal gangs. We want to tell those criminals, whether they are in goons, robberies, any type of crimes, that their days are numbered, because we are going to really deal with them. We want Kisii and entire part of the country to remain calm, especially as we move towards campaigns and elections. So we have no room and time for criminal gangs. Let them know that. And all the strategies we are going to employ are going to be valid. So I want to urge Kenyans to abide with the laws of this country and to be good citizens, so that our socio-economic activities and the entire ecosystem of security is positive and heading to the right trajectory.